this one's just kind of a little bit of a sweetheart trailer, in all honesty. Only 15 feet 8 inches. The dry weight on this thing is 2,667 pounds. So you can tow it with just about anything you have, as long as it has that tow package with a hitch. It is only a single axle, and it will only sleep 2. Doesn't have a slide out. So this is for people who maybe want to rough it a little bit more, but still want to get that full kind of glamping experience. I mean, the Geo Pros, they really kind of thought of everything in here just a little bit. So we can kind of take a step in here and look around. Now you will still get all your essentials. It may be a little bit smaller, but the essentials are still 100% there. I mean, you got a sofa with a dinette here, so you can still have family dinners. You can still sit down and enjoy a nice meal without feeling too super cramped. You got your overhead storage as well, so you can, I mean, you could fit just about anything in here, whether it be clothes or just kind of your appliances you'd like to take as you travel. And then plenty of overhead storage. That goes all the way back in there. And you get that on both sides, which is super nice. So even though it is a smaller travel trailer, you still get the maximum amount of storage there. You got your thermostat, you know, your shades there, and, you know, again, a big fridge. It's a 15-foot travel trailer, and I mean, the size of this fridge is just unreal. I mean, you don't really see that in any other, you know, travel trailer this small. And you still get some pretty cool drawers down here as well for, you know, for whatever you may have. And then this here will fold out into a bed, and you still get a TV so you can watch your Netflix. You know, you can still watch RV Wholesalers live show while you're camping, which is always pretty cool. You got your microwave, a big 3-top burner stove, which I really, really love, because, you know, you get some of these smaller travel trailers and the stove tops on them are just half of this size, and they still get the 3-top burners. This one you can really get some good sized pans on there and still cook a massive dinner. And you still got your big deep sink there as well. Overhead storage, of course, you know, great ceiling fan. And then there is your kind of all-in-one bath.
Yeah, they call that a wet bath. I mean, they do it a lot of smaller campers. It does give you everything that you need and everything. One of the cool features that I like about this one is right behind Wyatt over here. I'm gonna slide over and show you. This is a pretty cool little thing right here. A little charging port kind of pops up out of the countertop. Saves you a ton of room and countertop space, because that's a prime real estate, as we all know, in campers. So still decent sized countertop, a lot of headroom. I mean, I don't have the problem with headroom like Wyatt does, but ultimately really has everything you need, like Wyatt said. I mean, it has everything here that, heck, the Puma did over there, just in a little smaller package. And again, you can pull it with just about anything. So other than that, I mean, this is pretty much it. Like I said, not a lot of camper here, but it does about everything that you need.